करो। हाँ जी बेटा, चलो क्या पढ़ाने वाले बताओ और पूरा रिवाइज कराओ। आपके पास कितना मिनट है? 10 मिनट है आपके पास, स्टार्ट करो।
सर पहले प्राइवेट प्लेसमेंट के बारे में बताऊंगी. इट इज़ गिवन अंडर सेक्शन 42. A company may make a private placement of securities. A private placement shall be made by the company to specified persons identified by the board whose number shall not exceed 200 in a financial year, excluding the qualified institutional buyers and employees of the company who are offered securities under ESOP under section 62. उसके बाद कंपनी में shall issue PAPUA to identified persons whose names and addresses are recorded by the company, and such offer shall not carry any right of renunciation. Then subscription money shall be paid by check, demand draft, or any other banking channel, and not by cash. And the subscription money, the amount that is raised through private placement shall not be utilized for unless the allotment is made and the return of allotment is filed with the registrar. Then we have fresh offer invitation. Fresh offer invitation shall be made only if the allotments made earlier have been completed, and the allotments made earlier have been completed, and that offer invitation has been withdrawn or abandoned by the company. Then we have where the company making offer invitation shall allot the securities within 60 days of the date of receipt of application money. If the company fails to allot the securities within that period, then it shall repay that money within 15 days from the expiry of the 60 days. And if it fails to repay that amount within the aforesaid limit, then it shall repay that money with interest at the rate of 12% per annum from the expiry of the 68th day. After that, we have advertisement. The company shall not release any advertisement or utilize any media, marketing, or distribution channel or any agent to inform the public at large about such an issue. The subscription money shall be kept by the company in a separate bank account in a scheduled bank, and it shall be utilized only for the following purpose: for the adjustment against allotment of securities or repayment of money if the company fails to allot securities. Then after that, we have uh, where the company has allotted the securities and it is required to file a return of allotment with the ROC within 15 days of the allotment in pass 3, and including a complete list of allottees, including their names, addresses, number of securities allotted, and any other relevant information as may be prescribed. And if the private placement is not made in accordance with the above law, then it shall be deemed to be a public offer, and all the provisions relating to Companies Act, SCRA, and CB shall be applicable. Then we have Rule 14. In Rule 14, certain limitations for private placement has been prescribed. The first being approval by shareholders through a special resolution. The proposed offer of securities shall be approved uh, by the shareholders through a special resolution for each offer and invitation. And in the explanatory statement, which is annexed to the notice to general meeting, the following particulars shall be included, including the date of passing of board resolution, the price, the justification for the price, the kind of securities offered, the name and addresses of the valuer who conducted such valuation, and other relevant information. If the offer relates to non-convertible debentures, then and if the proposed amount to be raised is within the limit prescribed under 181C, then a board resolution shall be sufficient. And if it exceeds such limit, then the previous special resolution shall be passed only once in a year for all the debentures offered during that year. The limit specified under 181C is existing, and proposed borrowing is up to 100% of the paid up capital, the free reserves, and the securities premium. Now, if the securities are offered or allotted to QIB, then the previous resolution shall be passed only once in a year for all the securities that are allotted to such institutions during that year. Then next we have the such offer invitation shall not be made to more than 200 persons in a financial year. In the aggregate in a financial year, the above restriction should be reckoned individually for each kind of security. However, this rule shall not apply to an NBFC registered with the SEBI and a housing finance company. After that, we have the company shall issue a PAPUA in form pass 4 inform pass 4
within
within, एक second. The company shall issue form pass 4 within 30 days. एक second. The company shall issue Papua and form pass 4 to identified persons within 30 days of the allotment, and it shall be addressed to them and it shall be sent to them, and such offer cannot be renounced, that it shall be accepted only by the person to whom the offer is made. Then the Papua shall be issued only if the board resolution or special resolution has been filed with the ROC. Within 15 days of the allotment, a return of allotment shall be filed with the ROC, and it shall include the following particulars, that is the name, address, email ID, PAN number, date of allotment of securities, class of security, the nominal value of the security, the amount paid up on that, and if the and if the securities for issued for consideration other than cash, then the particulars of that. Now, एक second now. The company shall maintain a complete record of the private placement offers in pass 5, and the subscription money shall be paid from the bank account of the subscriber only, and the company shall maintain a complete record of the bank account in which the application money is received, and where it relates to joint holders, then it shall be paid from the bank account of the first holder, and this shall not be applicable where it is issued for consideration other than cash.
एक चीज छूट गया ना, क्या छूटा बताओ? लैंड बॉर्डर वाला बताओ.
Oh, हाँ, okay. Where that provision for that offer or invitation shall not be made to a body corporate incorporated in or national of a country which shares land border. इसका कुछ था इसके बाद.
इसके लिए किसका अप्रूवल चाहिए?
हाँ, however, if it has obtained government approval under FEMA, then उनको offer invitation हो सकता है.
क्या बात है, आज तक का सबसे बेस्ट आंसर था. मतलब क्या फ्लो में बोले बेटा.